NEET 2021 Physics question key question paper M5. Answer for first question is the option 4 is correct. For second question, option 2 is correct. For third question, option 3 is correct. For fourth question, option 4 correct. For fifth question, option 2 correct. For sixth question, option 2 correct. For seventh question, option 1 is correct. For eighth question, option 2 correct. For ninth question, option 4 correct. For 10th question, option 1 is correct. For 11th question, option 2 correct. For 12th question, option 4 is correct. For 13th question, option 1 is correct. For 14th question, option 3 correct. For 15th question, option 2 is correct. For 16th question, option 4 correct. For 17th question, option 3 correct. For 18th question, option 4 correct. For 19th question, option 3 correct. For 20th question, option for 20th question, option 2 correct. For 21st question, option 1 is correct. For 22nd question, option 4 correct. For 23 question, option 1 is correct. For 24 question, option 2 correct. For 25 question, option 3 correct. For 26th question, option 4 correct. For 27th question, option 2 correct. For 28th question, option 3 correct. For 29th question, option 3 correct. For 30th question, option 1 correct. For 31 question, option 2 correct. For 32 question, option 2 correct. For 33 question, option 2 correct. For 34 question, option 4 correct. For 35 question, option 3 correct. For 36th question, option 2 correct. For 37 question, option 1 is correct. For 38th question, option 3 correct. For 39th question, option 1 is correct. 40th question, 40th question, option 1 is correct. 41st question, 41st question, Option 2 correct. 43rd question. 42nd question. 42nd question. Option 4 correct. 43rd question. Option 4 correct. 44th question. Option 1 is correct. 45th question. Fourth option is correct. 46th question. Option 4 correct. 47th question. Option 4 correct. 48th question. Option 4 correct. 49th question. Option 2 correct. 50th question. Option 4 is correct. Detailed solution will be uploaded within a few minutes.